Describe a time when you had a problem with using the computer. You should say when it happened, where it happened, what the problem was, and explain how you solved the problem at last.
I think there have been a lot of times when we face computer related problems. Sometimes there are the hardware like issues, the hard drives, or sometimes it was the software bugs. Today I am going to talk about one specific issues. Due to these issues I almost missed my assignment submission. It was 2020 12 January. My computer teacher gave an assignment about the ethical hacking just 2 months to go before my exam. I took only 3 days to submit my assignments. First day I made good progress on my assignments. The next day I failed in a trap because suddenly my computer shut down. First time I thought that there was a power supply problems. When I noticed all of my device at my home was working at fine, so I called one of my experienced friends in my home, and he also tried to open my PC, but he failed. So 2 hours later I took this PC to repair. First time the electrician opened my PC and tried to repair it, and he said to me, there are a lot of dust in your PC, that's why there was a problem of power circuited. So he repaired it, and I felt very shocked because if I not save my assignment I face a problem. When the electrician repair it and open it after repairing this PC, so I noticed the assignment was auto saves. That's why I feel very relief on that time, and I take one message from these issues is I have to clean my laptop or I have to clean my PC regularly.